Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best dog food for labs that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Origen Puppy Large. Origen Puppy Large is a top choice for large breed kibble. This is a premium kibble using whole animal proteins. 85% of this recipe comes from animal ingredients. Fresh and raw ingredients are used to give this one both flavor and top quality nutrition. These include meat, organs, and bone. The first 5 ingredients are fresh or raw. This recipe follows an ancestral diet and works to provide biologically appropriate nutrition. Kibble features a freeze-dried coating for a pop of raw flavor that dogs adore. It also includes whole herring, eggs, dehydrated chicken, dehydrated turkey, and more, meaning this recipe is packed with protein and fats, perfect for the highly energetic and fast-growing lab. The recipe includes fruits and veggies like cranberries, pumpkin, squash, apples, and collard greens. Moving on. At number 4, we have the Wellness Complete Health Natural Wet Canned Puppy Food. Wellness Puppy is a top-of-the-line canned food. It can be served as a topper on your pup's dry kibble or as a standalone meal offering variety to your dog's diet. This puppy paté's main ingredients include chicken, salmon, sweet potatoes, carrots, apples, pears, and more. It uses only natural ingredients and is made in North America. This canned recipe is crafted to boost whole body health and supports the immune system, digestive health, healthy skin and coat, and optimal energy. This is a solid choice for a lab pup created by canine nutritionists. 78% moisture will keep your furry friend hydrated and satisfied with the meaty taste. Easy to digest and well-reviewed, Wellness also makes a dry puppy kibble that is perfect for the mighty Labrador. At number 3, we have the Wellness Core Dry Dog Food. This tasty formula is made just for larger breeds. Wellness works to provide whole body support. This recipe is grain-free and designed to optimize energy levels, support a strong immune system, and ensure skin and coat health. It uses no corn or wheat, is easy to digest, and avoids some common food allergens. This is a meat-focused recipe with no grains, but Wellness also makes a grain-inclusive line. The core formula design supports heart health, skin and coat, digestive health, and strong joints. All natural formulas offer top-quality ingredients and no fillers or added flavors. This kibble is an excellent choice to maintain the health of your lab. At number 2, we have the Nulo grain-free turkey and cod recipe adult trim wet canned dog food. This is a grain-free, low-fat formula that does not use any chicken or egg proteins. The recipe is made from 74% animal-based ingredients. It includes pure probiotic strains to support digestion, calcium and phosphorus to maintain strong bones and joints, L-carotene to help metabolize fats, and high-quality fruits and vegetables to support immune system health. This grain-free recipe uses cod and lentils, providing high levels of protein and amino acids with more fiber and less fat. Weight management support is something that every Labrador owner should be aware of. These dogs love to eat and often eat very quickly, so they are very food motivated. While weight control formula is not necessary for everyone, this formula is tasty, high quality, and easy to digest. Other flavors include trout and sweet potato, salmon, and lentils. And finally, at number 1, we have the Merrick Classic Healthy Grains Real Chicken and Brown Rice recipe. This grain-inclusive, high-quality kibble uses deboned poultry as its first ingredient. This recipe has high omega fatty acids, glucosamine, and chondroitin levels. Includes plenty of essential vitamins and minerals, and uses brown rice and other ancient grains, including quinoa. These grains aid in digestion. Kibble is prepared in Texas. Omega fatty acids help promote skin and coat health, and glucosamine and chondroitin to support hip and joint functions. This recipe contains no potatoes, peas, or lentils. It is easy to digest and uses fiber-rich grains, including brown rice, oatmeal, and quinoa. High-quality protein is critical, and this recipe uses no fillers. The formula is suitable for dogs of all sizes and uses no corn, wheat, soy, artificial flavoring, or preservatives. The Healthy Grains line also offers other meat choices, including lamb and salmon. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.